My name is Mahmood Qureshi, teacher of PS Sheikh Mohalla Kandi, clubbed with UPS Kandibala. Today is 3rd September 2020. Dear students, our topic is Unthankful Man, Part 2, taken from 8th class English textbook. It began from to man called out to Raman, please save my life. It was the greatest mistake of Raman. He thought, what harm can this man do to me? Then he pulled him out of the well. In the same way, the man thanked him and said, if you need my help, come to me. I live in Varanasi and I am a goldsmith by profession. The kind person reached the nearby town. For several days he searched to get a job, but he could not find it. He again suffered in hunger and tired. Then he decided to go to back home. As he neared the forest, he came to the river. He remembered the monkey's place and decided to go to the monkey. The monkey saw him and came running to him. Raman told the monkey, I am so hungry for several days. At once the monkey climbed up the tree and picked up sweet juicy mangoes for Raman. Raman ate the mangoes and satisfied his hunger. He thanked the monkey and continued journey. On his way, he came upon a cow. He remembered the tiger and decided to meet him as well. He went to the cow and called out for the tiger. The tiger immediately recognized his voice and came out from the cow. The tiger gave him a gold necklace. It is of no use to me. Perhaps it might help you, the tiger said to Raman. Raman was very happy to receive the necklace and decided that I will sell this golden necklace and start a business of my own. He thanked the dog, he thanked the tiger and continued his journey. He remembered the goldsmith's promise and he decided to go to his town Varanasi and sell the necklace to him. So instead of going home, he went to Varanasi. When Raman reached the goldsmith's shop, he showed him the necklace, but this necklace was made by the goldsmith to the prince who had gone missing some months back. He recognized the necklace and decided to report the matter to the king. He asked gently to the Raman, just wait, I will come soon. Thus the ungrateful man reached to the king and tell all the story of the necklace. He said to the king, I had made the necklace for the prince. I am sure the men have killed the prince and stolen the necklace. The king also recognized the necklace. He sent his soldiers to the goldsmith shop and ordered them to arrest the Raman.